What's going on, guys? Welcome back. As you can see here, there's two TRX-4M Broncos. One is for my daughter, actually. She's got her own body. She's going to paint that. She's picking out all her own accessories. It's going to be pretty and pink and adorable, and we'll have a video on that one later. However, this guy is the one we're going to concentrate on today. I've got some plans for this. This will be the first video of those plans. I've got some upgrades I'm going to start out with. This one's going to be turned into more of a serious crawler. So we're not going to really concentrate too much on the unboxing. I've got two other TRX-4M unboxing videos. So we're not going to cover any new ground there, but we are going to go over the upgrades and get some of them installed today. So stay tuned. Alright, so I went ahead and opened it with the white body here. Really like the white. I think it's going to look good with some of the components I got. Speaking of which, what are we doing for this first round of upgrades? We got some nice brass wheels here from Injora. I really like the way these look. I think this will be a good contrast against the white body. Also got some low range gears, stainless steel from Injora. Also a 48 turn, the 180 Pro motor from Injora as well. We're going to swap that over right away. Should all plug and play. Shouldn't have to do anything to it. Should be good to go. And also got these brass diff covers. Add a little weight to it. So yeah, eventually everything on this will be completely changed. But we're going to start with these in this first video. So now I'm going to actually get a scale. I want to see how much weight we're gaining with some of these brass parts. Alright, so I borrowed a scale from my wife. I'm sure she won't mind. Alright, first we're going to weigh the Bronco. Oh, I'm going to change it to pounds. Let's just see. This is without a battery. Just complete stock weight. Looks like we got 1.1 pound, 1 ounce. 1 pound, 1 ounce. Or 16.1 ounces. And 458 grams. Alright. Alright, got the stock wheel and tire off here. We're going to weigh this. 18 grams. Alright, 18 grams for the stock wheel and tire. Now we're going to weigh the Injora brass weighted ones, and that's a good looking wheel. I really like that. And 52 grams. That's a good amount of increase multiplied by 4. And this is Injora's S5 compound, so this is pretty sticky, soft tire. Still gotta actually mount up the tires, and we'll get to that in a minute. But I think we're gonna go ahead and install this Injora 48 turn motor and see how it runs. Alright, so here's a look at the Injora 180 Pro 48 turn motor. It's the exact same size as the stock 87 turn in there. So should get a little more speed out of it. A little more low end torque. Hopefully a little more smooth operation. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here and show you the results. I mean, while it's here, I guess we can go ahead and unbox it. She's not going to use this body. She's going to paint her own. It's going to be pink and pretty and all her own. So that leaves me a body without a chassis. What could I possibly do with that? Alright, so got the motor in there. See, it fits in there just like stock, same size, same weight, no difference, just plug and play. And now we're going to charge the batteries and do a side-by-side comparison with a completely stock one. Alright, so we're outside and we've got a completely out of the box stock Bronco my daughter will be driving, and a stock geared Bronco with the Injora 180 Pro motor in it. So we're going to do a little race from line to line and see what kind of improvement you get with just a motor swap. All right, you ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, she got the jump. I'm running her down. Ooh, that was close. It's definitely pretty punchy. Maybe if I wasn't sleeping at the line, come back and do it again. All right, back up. Good. All right, maybe won't be sleeping this time. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Ah, she jumped again. It's a little quicker, a little quicker. Oh, look at that. Picks the front tire off the ground. It's definitely got some low end punch. All right, one more time. We'll go one more time. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. She does it again. Run her back down. All right. So it's a little quicker. A little quicker. Definitely punchier. You see it pulling that front tire off the ground. All right. So time to go in and put the crawler gears in it and see what kind of difference that makes. Alright, so here's a look at the Injora crawler gears, the 40.3:1 ratio. Same ratio as the ones that Traxxas sells, just these are stainless steel. Should hold up really well. We'll go ahead and put these in. Alright, so there's a look at the gears set in. This thing won't focus. Anyway, these are definitely good quality gears, definitely very hard, and a good amount of weight too. So just gonna add a little weight where we want it. Right, let me button this up and we'll give it a little test run. Alright, got the crawler gears in. While I was at it, I went ahead and installed the diff covers and the wheels and tires as well. I really like the way these look. So before we run it, I want to weigh it again now. We got everything installed. The before weight without the battery was 1 pound 1 ounce. Let's see where we're at now. We're at 1 pound 5.8 ounces. So getting close to a ½ pound gain with the parts there. Again, we just installed the Injora 180 Pro 48 turn motor, these diff covers front and rear, and the Injora brass wheels and tires with the S5 compound. So I'm going to run it now with the crawler gears, do a comparison with the stock Bronco and see how it runs. Alright, got the crawler gears in there. Going to run them to that white line. I fully suspect to lose, but we'll see about how much by. Alright, ready?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go. And look at that. Yeah, it's definitely slower. I want it more time, just for fun. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Ah, you jumped in one anyway. All right. Well, tell you what, I definitely like the way these wheels look on there. I really, really do. But yeah, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I've got more coming out here soon, so look out for those. And thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.